It has been a pretty nice Wednesday across northern Michigan. We've got some sunshine today, a light breeze, not as much humidity, and really our weather pattern staying on cruise control for the next few days. Could have a little bit of patchy fog again as we take you past the midnight hour tonight, getting into your Thursday morning. But other than that, generally quiet, still the breeze, mainly coming out of the north. So we're talking about more 50s as we go past the midnight hour tonight. Probably can give your AC another break as we take you into a Thursday morning. And even still, a good mix of sun and clouds as we go right here into the day tomorrow throughout your Thursday morning, getting into the afternoon hours, keeping things generally dry for yet another day. So this is also going to be one of the warmer days we're going to have in the next 7 days. Thursday and Friday still could work in some upper 70s, if not some low 80s. But the later we get into the weekend, by early next week, things are trending a little bit cooler. So keep that in mind. Planning out your upcoming weekend. As we go late Thursday night into the day on Friday, some of the newer data does want to suggest potentially we could talk about a few passing showers as early as Friday morning throughout the Upper Peninsula. Trend we'll watch nonetheless, but as of right now, appreciable chances for rain for us don't really come back into the extended forecast until we get into the upcoming weekend, and still we'll be watching Monday as well, at least for a few lingering showers. Here's going to be one of the bigger stories we're talking about. Still those temperature trends. So here's a look at the jet stream. There's Aaron into the Atlantic, but we'll be watching what we call a troughing pattern into the upper levels moving in. This is your time frame Saturday by the time we do reach Sunday, especially where you're seeing some of those blue shadings on the map, indicating we're talking about some slightly below average temperatures as we are starting off early next week. So that's probably going to be resulting in temperatures for us into next week, more so trending only in the 60s. So going to be feeling a little bit cooler as we're getting into the last week of August. Let's talk about temperatures out there right now, still on the warmer side. Live weather stations in Everett still showing numbers right here into the upper 70s. Current number right there at 78 degrees. And even Pickford to the north into the Upper Peninsula, you're still holding on to some mid-70s. Current temperature right now sitting right there at 75. Let's show you where we go as we take you past midnight tonight. Still, we'll call it comfortable overnight period. Lots of lows back into the 50s. Low line spots, a little bit of patchy fog. I think that's the worst of it getting into your Thursday morning. And light breeze, mainly coming in from the north, right there at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and show you where we go for temperatures getting into your Thursday. Slightly warmer. I think we'll include at least a few more upper 70s as we go into the day tomorrow. Eastern upper tip of the mid. There's a look at your numbers. Still partly to even at times. Mostly sunny sky will be on the table as we take you into the day on Thursday. Even check out western lower, still including probably at least a few more low 80s getting into the afternoon. So again, tomorrow and Friday are going to be some of the last warmer days, at least in the extended forecast. There it is, sunrise side, still talking about some mid-70s right there, closer to the Lake Huron shoreline, right up M33. Still, the numbers getting closer to 80 from West Branch, even towards Atlanta. Hillman getting into the afternoon tomorrow. And if we do include even a few more low 80s, we'll find that into some of our central counties, taking you right there into the day on Thursday. But here comes some cooler temperatures. There it is into the next 7 days. Once we are taking you past the weekend, that also, Adam, will be the best chance for some showers. Check out those numbers on Monday into Tuesday. A lot of highs only in the 60s, and could even include a few overnight lows in the 40s.